Hello and welcome. Have you ever wanted to automatically enable or disable a field in your app depending on another value? It's a very common need when building forms and dashboards. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and disable fields dynamically in Retool based on specific values. Let's get started. First, open your Retool application and navigate to the form or interface where your input fields are located. Retool makes it easy to control components using simple logic and JavaScript expressions. Now, select the input field you want to control. For example, imagine we have a form with a status dropdown and another field that should only be editable when a certain status is selected. Click on the field you want to enable or disable. On the right side, you will see the Component Settings panel. Scroll down until you find the Disabled property. This property determines whether the field can be edited by the user. Here's where the dynamic logic comes in. Instead of manually enabling or disabling the field, we can add a condition using Retool's JavaScript expressions. Click inside the Disabled property and enable the JavaScript mode. Now, we can write a simple expression that checks the value of another component. For example, if we want the field to be disabled when the status is pending, we can write a condition that checks the value of the status dropdown. When the status equals pending, the field becomes disabled, but when the status changes to approved or another value, the field automatically becomes enabled. Isn't that powerful? This method allows you to create dynamic forms that respond to user input in real time. It improves user experience and helps prevent incorrect data entry. You can use the same logic for many situations, for example, enabling fields based on user roles, selected options, or even database query results. And that's it. Now you know how to enable and disable fields dynamically in Retool based on specific values. Give it a try in your own Retool apps and see how flexible your forms can become. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you.